once you open the application, we'll just give you a preview of how the application works. As you can see here, just upload a photo of yourself or any photo, and we'll just create a little comic universe for you, as you can see here, and as you can see here as well. And as you can see here, so just tap on the skip option. We'll show you their subscription page. As you can see here, they offer a annual subscription and a weekly subscription and how much credits you'll be getting with each subscription. So you're gonna need those credits to pretty much generate the comics, as you can see here. So just tap on X here and you'll pretty much be greeted with the home screen. So this is where you're gonna go to create your anime comics type of stuffs. Here, you pretty much go here to add your characters or pretty much upload a photo of yourself. All you have to do is tap on this option here to upload a photo. You can either take one right away or select something from your gallery. And as well select the name of your character and as well select the gender. So once you have done that, you pretty much add your character and you're good to go, which is you. So either you want a comic, manga, sharing, or whatever the case is, either one, you pretty much just tap on the style that you want to use. Here you have the inspiration. If you don't have anything in mind, you can always tap on this option here and it will generate something for you. And down here you have the advanced option. Here you can pretty much select the language as it relates to the manga or whatever you're doing. Here, as you can see, you can select either English. You can also add up to 18 pages. And for each pages, for 2 pages, you're gonna need 30 credits for 2 pages. So do look at the page option down here. So if you're gonna do 18 pages, you're gonna need 270 credits. So do keep that in mind as well. And once you have done all of those information or select everything that you need, you just tap on the create option. Do keep in mind you're going to need a subscription for you to do so. So at the top here, as you can see, you pretty much can go here to get your subscription. You do have other features which you'll be getting as well, as you can see here, and you can see pretty much the prices as it relates to the subscription and so forth. So very good application if you're very interested in you turning yourself into comics or manga type of stuffs, and just give it a try and let me know in the comment section. And with all that said, guys, hope you all enjoyed this video. And if you have any question, and as well, if you have created anything on this application here, you can go in the history section and you pretty much will see everything that you've created. So very good application. And if I have missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. Let's see if I can help you. See you in the next one.